Hi there, so we're going to talk about the store. If you go into store here on the side menu, you're going to see there's three links. The first one says store management. Now, the reason this is populated is that I've actually already gone ahead and created my offers in offers. So if you haven't already done that, I would go back over here to offers. We do have a little video and go through and create the offers you want in your store. After you've done that and you come to store management, this is just going to show you what is going to be in there, just kind of like easy way to see everything. And you're actually going to be able to go and preview or just go and manage the items directly from the link. You can also click this button preview store, which is the same as the second link here. So we can preview our store and we can see it the way everybody else will see it. And then we also have one final link, which is to get your link to share. Now, we do really recommend you sharing this link. It will show up on your profile here. Okay, so if we open up your profile, already have this open. Let's open it again. Then you're going to see that, yes, we have it. It's published, and we can click and we can manage it. So it is going to show up there. We can just take a look at the live profile, and then you're going to see that your store is right here. Okay, so it's going to show up there, but we do really recommend that you take it and you share it other places. So you can use this as your store on your website. You just grab this link, throw that link in to, in the menu bar maybe, in the side, wherever else you want it. You can also actually have this store be your store on your Instagram or any other socials. So that's how the store feature works. Thanks.